going to show you how to buy and sell BTC or USD or any other cryptocurrency using your mobile money. It's very simple, just using your mobile money, or you can use your bank accounts. So all you need is to get your smartphone and then your data or Wi-Fi or whatever that will get you a connection, and then get your Binance app. You need to download your Binance app. So you click on your Binance, and then you need to get verified. The link is in the description. It's verified here. Yeah. Then the next step is to click on P2P, which is this one. Click on P2P. After clicking on P2P, you see your buy and sell over there. So if you want to buy using your mobile money, you can see there is a mobile money indicator here, or Momo, and then you see the buy. So this is how it is. So the first one means $1 is equal to 11.40. That's what the seller is buying. But I will encourage you to buy from verified sellers. You see there is a tick there, which means the person is verified, so your money won't be lost or having a lot of issues before you can get your crypto. Okay, so I will advise you to buy from only verified sellers. You see, there are not more verified sellers, so you should know what to do. You understand? So nothing. So you can buy from USDT, or you can buy BTC or BUSDT or BNB Ethereum, any other crypto you want to buy. You understand? Yeah. So you come here, and this is sell. So the sell means you are selling back to your mobile money account. Yes. Buy means you are buying it into your Binance account, and sell means you are selling it back into your mobile money account. So this is it. So when you come here, you see, I always say buy from verified sellers, so you can look through for a verified seller, and then you click on it. You see, meaning $1 is equal to $11.42. Meaning if you sell, if you want to sell your USDT, it will give you 11.42 as $1. So only buy from verified sellers. So when you click on it, this is how it will be. You click on it like this. Now you see this by crypto, meaning you are going to type in your crypto quantity, and if it's by fiat, you're going to type in the Ghana cedis or your currency you are using in your country. So you see the information down here, the payment time limit, and then buyer's name and payment method. So to show you, say you can get your money into your mobile money account. Straightforward, just very simple. So that's how you get your. But before that, you have to add your payment methods. So when you scroll down here, you see payment methods here. Then you click on P2P payment method. Yeah, so this is it. So all you have to do is to add your payment method, so that it will be easy for you to buy and sell. So that's all about buying.